Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and a glistening river, lived two best friends named Timmy and Tommy. They were inseparable and shared everything from toys to dreams. One sunny morning, the duo set out on an adventure to explore.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AI MASKMAN. Do you all want to create this type of 3D animation video and want to earn money like this channels? But don't know how to start? Oh! Don't worry. In this video, I will guide you through step-by-step process that leverages the power of AI to bring your creative visions to life. Without further ado, let's dive into the world of 3D animation with the magic of AI. Let's get started. Step 1. Generating story. To generate a story, let's ask Chat GPT. Write me a moral story about two friends and make sure the speaking tone is friendly and storytelling. By this right detailed prompt, it will help you to generate a unique story from Chat GPT. Alright, our story is ready now to create animated YouTube videos. We also want images for the story, but we don't know how to write a prompt to generate images. Don't worry, let's ask a Chat GPT. I want to create animated YouTube videos about this story. So could you suggest images for different scenes? So here Chat GPT divided this story in different scene and also gave suggestions for each scene. Alright, now let's move ahead with another step. Step 2. Generating images. For this, we are going to use free image generation tool which is called Leonardo AI. You can also use Blue Willow instead of Leonardo. But here I am going to use Leonardo because it's easy to generate images with different styles in this tool. So first of all, search for Leonardo on Google and click on the first link, then create an account. If you already have an account in it, so choose Yes, I am whitelisted and log in with you. Google, Apple or Microsoft ID. In this you can get 150 token daily. So you can easily generate multiple images in free. Now let's choose image generation option from the left-hand side, and then choose a 3D animation style. After selecting style, choose number of images, dimensions, and aspect ratio. For YouTube videos, choose 16:9 ratio, and then enter your prompt. Go back to the Chat GPT and copy image description, which is given by Chat GPT, and paste it here. And here I will also copy the storyline and paste it here, so we will get accurate image results. And then I'm going to write, generate an image in Ultra HD. And let's see the results. So our image is ready. It's amazing, right? Now download the images which you like most. Now again, go back to the Chat GPT and copy the image prompt and paste it here. Then add some more details in prompt like add boy and girl after character name, because AI don't know that Timmy is a girl and Tommy is a boy. Now here I am going to show you another trick to maintaining the continuity of images. On the left side, select the image prompt option and upload the first image which you downloaded. So by this way we get perfect images which are related to each other. And then click on generate. Now continue this process until you get all the images for the story. Alright, now let's jump to the next step. Step 3. Image to video. We are going to convert this image into a short video. And for this I'm going to use Runway ML. Alright, now from the dashboard of Runway ML, choose image to video option. And then upload the image which you generate in Leonardo. And then click on generate. After a few seconds, our video will be ready. Let's see how it looks. Awesome, right? Now let's add another image. So by this way, we will convert all the images into short video. Alright, now let's move ahead to the next step. If you are a shy person and don't want to use your own voice, so this step is very useful to you. Step 4. Generating voiceover. To generate a voiceover, I'm going to use 11 labs. First of all, choose the voice for your video. And then, after enter your script. For this, go back to the Chat GPT and copy the script and paste it here. And click on Generate and download it. Alright, now let's move to the last and final step. Step 5. Edit the video. For this, I am going to use Canva. First of all, search Canva in Google and open the first link. Then from the dashboard, click on the video icon and upload all the videos and audio which you generated from the Runway and 11 labs. After uploading all the video, all you have to is add all the videos here and set them as background video. And then add voiceover track.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and a glistening river, lived two best friends.
Then you can also increase or decrease the speed of your video to coordinate your video with audio, or you can also duplicate the same page if you want. Alright, now let's add the transition. There are so many options available here. Choose any of these and add them here. Or you can also animate this video from here.
Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling hills and a glistening river, lived two best friends named Timmy and Tommy. They were inseparable and shared everything from toys to dreams. One sunny morning, the duo set out on an adventure to explore the mysterious forest beyond the village. The trees stood tall and ancient.
So guys, this is how we can generate AI animation video with the help of free AI tools. And we can earn money by using this amazing tool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really enjoy this video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to share your thoughts regarding this. See you in the next video.